Sometimes you need a fastening solution that blends in with its environment. That's why VELCRO brand developed a line of thin, clear fasteners. VELCRO thin, clear fasteners are translucent for use on glass or plastic surfaces, for when you want to discreetly attach, mount, and connect items. They offer the lowest profile surface, meaning they blend in almost seamlessly with your existing decor. They're available in coins, squares, strips, and tapes, which means you've got a pre-cut solution for whatever project you need to make disappear. When you need to connect it, organize it, or secure it, use VELCRO brand thin, clear fasteners.